The hand press fixture package comes with these accessories. The clamp will be locked with the fixture at first, therefore, please loosen the screws on the clamp first, and then put it onto the programmer. It's okay to keep the screws on there. You can use the letters L and R on the fixture to see if it is placed in the correct direction. Next, align the red markings on the fixture with the holes on the programmer and then lock it with the screws. Do this for both sides. If the clamp is still on the fixture, tighten the screws on the clamp and remove the whole clamp with the base. If not, then you can skip this step. Place the socket adapters and then put the clamp back onto the fixture. Push the clamp to lock it and pull it to remove it. You can use the texts on the clamp to see if it is placed in the correct direction. If you are using single-site sockets, use the 2 universal clamps to cover the pressing structure of the sockets, and tighten the screws. Pushing the bar all the way down will open the socket. And pulling the bar all the way back will close it. If it is halfway pushed, then it will not lock in position. It will only be locked in position if it is pushed or pulled all the way. We also provide a light bar to indicate the signal lights, so the user can see the lights when they are seated. There are 2 positioning pins at the bottom of the light bar, which you can use to position it or use screws to lock it.